Look around you, different things born out of truth and passion. Business software, it's our craft, our identity. Thoughtfully engineered, passionately designed to help you transform your business. Zoho, made in India, made for the world.
Well, the rift, the two camps within Karnataka Congress seems to be raising the same issue again. Will DKS now take up the CM's post, or will Siddaramaiah complete the remainder of the term? Open rift as far as when it comes to the Karnataka Home Minister now seems to be dismissing these reports, as G. Parmeshwara says that these are just rumors, but Siddaramaiah will continue to remain the Chief Minister of Karnataka for the remainder of his term. Let's listen in.
ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಅದೇ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯನವರು ಈಗ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರು 5 ವರ್ಷ ಅವರೇ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವರೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಏನು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಒಪ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸಿದ್ರ ನೀವು? ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಯಾವುದೇ ಕ್ರಾಂತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಕ್ರಾಂತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಕ್ರಾಂತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ರಾಂತಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಾಂತಿ.
Well, Neha, we were talking about leaders within the Congress now actually banking and rooting for DK Shivkumar. 2.5 years have already passed of Siddaramaiah remaining at the top post. Will it now be taken over by DK Shivkumar, or will Siddaramaiah continue for the remainder of the term?
Well, Amita, of course, that's a question now that only the Congress High Command would be able to answer, because every time, we've posed this question to both the leaders here, to Siddaramaiah as well as DK Shivkumar. The only thing that they say is that it is a decision of the High Command. While earlier, we of course heard Siddaramaiah saying that I hope I would complete my 5-year term. We've seen DK Shivkumar, of course, suggesting that it's the decision of the High Command, that nobody really should speak about this change of guard right now. With all of this being said, of course, it would be interesting to see right now, given that Chief Minister Siddaramaiah's 2.5-year term now, of course, would be coming to a close around the month of November. And that's when, we're, of course, likely to be getting some confirmation on whether there is at all going to be that change of guard, or whether the Chief Minister is going to continue. Remember, of course, one thing that we do know is that despite several notices being issued to Congress leaders, despite several senior Congress leaders from AICC, in fact, saying that no one really should talk about this. It seems like this entire tussle that's going on in the debate here refuses to die down, as day after day, one or the other leader.
I think we're going to talk about those leaders as well, because who never let this issue, lay at rest, because time and again this issue comes up again as far as 2.5 years of Siddaramaiah that would be getting over very soon in Karnataka. Will he continue for, the remainder of the 2.5-year term, or will it be taken over by DK Shivkumar? Because that seems to be the chorus that seems to be once again, reverberating within the Congress circles. Please do stay on with us, Neha, because this is Congress versus Congress that has now escalated over the Karnataka CM post, and the chorus seems to be growing louder in support of Deputy Chief Minister DK Shivkumar. Now, here is a Congress MLA, S.G. Ranganath, who has come out strongly in favor of DK Shivkumar, calling him as a rising star and a pan-India leader. This Congress MLA has praised DKS's role in delivering strong electoral results for the party, saying that he brought in very good results for the Congress, and he's also lauded DK Shivkumar's exceptional commitment to the party. He even called him as his political guru, highlighting his influence and the leadership within the party. Now, with the growing support, the chorus growing louder, the Congress MLA has now urged the party high command to decide the Kerala CM post soon, and he wants the position now to be given to DK Shivkumar.
DK Shivkumar sir is a rising star, and of course he is a pan-India leader now. Everybody, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, all are seeing him of very important senior Congress leader, and he has brought in a lot of people for MLCs. He has made by-elections which have given a good result for the Congress party, and the hardship, the dedication which he has given to the party. I have not seen any other leader to give that kind of commitment.
Well, having CM ambitions there, however, DK Shivkumar has sought to downplay these reports. He's made it clear that no one in the party is authorized to discuss power-sharing arrangements. He's reiterated that Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has expressed his intention to complete the full term, and whatever Siddaramaiah says on the matter is final. He's also warned those speaking publicly about the issue are harming the unity of the party.
You want to say to those MLAs who are making statements?
All MLAs will be issued notice.
You want to say to those MLAs who are making statements?
All MLAs will be issued notice.
But amid the ongoing speculation about a possible leadership change in Karnataka, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has firmly stated his intention that he will complete the full 5-year term. The Chief Minister has acknowledged that 2.5 years of his tenure is passing, but he emphasized that the remainder 2.5 years he will continue to remain the Chief Minister.
ಜನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನವೆಂಬರ್ಗೆ 2.5 ವರ್ಷ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಆ ಥರ ನಾನೇನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ನವರು ಏನು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕಂತ ನಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅಲ್ವಾ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದ ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಬೈ ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಸೊ
ಅವರಿರೋ ತನಕ ಅವರೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ
ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಸೊ
5 ವರ್ಷ
ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ ಸಿ 2ನೇ ಸಾರಿ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರು 2ನೇ ಸಾರಿ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಕೂತ್ಬಿಟ್ಟದೆ ನನ್ನ ಕಾರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಚೀಫ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ಗಿರಿ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರು ಬಜೆಟ್ ಮಂಡಿಸಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರು ಬಜೆಟ್ ಮಂಡಿಸಿದೆ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ 2 ವರ್ಷ ಇದ್ದೆ ಈಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಚೀಫ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿ 2.5 ವರ್ಷ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ
ಇನ್ನೂ 2 ವರ್ಷ ಇರ್ತೀರಿ
ಇನ್ನೂ 2.5 ವರ್ಷ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ.
Well, Neha, how the leader seems to be addressing the issue because Chief Minister Siddaramaiah making it amply clear that there is no vacancy for the CM's post.
Well, that's right. Of course, despite the Chief Minister here holding his ground there, saying that, he would hope to finish his 5-year term, that it's unlikely, of course, that there's going to be a change of guard. He does end that, by saying that, of course, ultimately the decision is with the High Command. So though he's really aired his opinion there, of course, what remains to be seen at this point is when this debate would die down. Mr. H.D. Ranganath, Ella Shivramegowda and a host of other Congress leaders in the past have been issued these show-cause notices for making these statements and bringing embarrassment to the party over here in the state. But despite that...
But the political rift over this one particular issue time and again has come up as far as when it comes to these two camps, DK Shivkumar and Siddaramaiah. Will he continue to remain the Chief Minister for the next 2.5 years or there would be a CM change in the position? That remains to be seen within Karnataka Congress. Thank you very much, Neha, for joining in with that live update.